MBRB going to someone's messenger, let them know I'm going live. Okay, it's being weird. No. There we go. There we go. Now we're good again. So I let them know I'm live and entice her to come in because she wants me to not get killed by these storms. So it's like, join the stream to make sure I stay alive. She's gonna come in here and probably be like, bitch, that's not how you word this shit, but here we go. But yeah. What's up? Boy, you're over there, what? I didn't even check the radar. It's all over the place, though. Yeah. Not all the rain, no. I was facing the wrong direction and I hate myself for it. Okay, I'm standing up. And actually it's not that rainy, so I might just go out of the porch. Get reckless. Go outside of the porch. Be stupid. Get fucking struck by lightning. Who cares? I'll survive. Okay, it's not that rainy. So let's see what happens. So, out of being startled by how close that was, I grab a metal railing. Smart. I'm staying on the stairs. Especially because these trees could explode at any moment. This storm has no chill, and my feet is longer than the steps. That is not good. That's also going to be loud. So why am I still holding on to this metal railing? I think I caught that one on camera. What the fuck is happening? I need to not hold on to the metal railing, or... Cloth ain't that good of a conductor, is it? Just have the cloth sleeve over it, and yeah. Seems like these colder storms are a bit more convective. With the lightning. A bit more friction. There's a bit more friction. I'm not holding onto the metal pole. Nope, nope, nope. Getting further away from that. Nope. This is fun. Yeah. I'm gonna go up here. Yeah, see what's going on. Yeah, that was literally across the road. I caught it on camera. And I was holding the metal railing like an idiot. Do not grab anything metal. You will die.
I'm gonna do the tall powering. I'm gonna come tall powering. Right there, beta metal thing.
Well, there's a cell tower down the road. And that's probably why that fucking struck. Honestly, that was literally across the road. This storm has no chill. Even though it's chilly as fuck. Yeah, hello. You missed it. You missed it. Lightning literally across the road. And now the rain picks up. That means the core is approaching, and that means the lightning's gonna get even closer. I don't know how closer it could get without being fucked up. This is fucking crazy. I love it. And for those who want to complain about me swearing, I nearly got struck by lightning like 3 or 4 times in the past 5 minutes. So you can fuck off with that shit. Okay? Nearly got struck 3 or 4 times in the past 5 minutes. I'm clipping it. I'm clipping it because this bitch has no fucking